Guess who just got an RV, guys? Your boy. Now, Electric, send me my freaking bike. What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new. Back with another video for you. And today we got another banger video for you guys, all right? Electric just announced their new bike. It's called the Electric Light. I thought it'd be a good idea to take my Electric 3.0. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. That's a great start to a video. And what kind of bug is that? I knew I shouldn't have came out today. Oh, I'm sorry, Leticia. Are you okay? I know I need to change your tires. I've been neglecting you. Ow, my hand hurts. My freaking elbow hurts. All right, let's get back on the road. I don't think we should do off-road today. Like I was saying, Electric came out with the new Electric Light. As you guys know, they didn't send me a freaking bike. Send me a freaking bike so I can make some content for you guys. Like, what the hell? You keep sending it to like the most boring freaking channels. All these freaking RV channels, dude. Boring as hell. Give it to me. Let's have some fun with this bike, okay? I was pissed, all right? I watched that video back and your boy was looking crazy as hell. I was like, dude, why are you getting mad over a freaking $700 bike? You could freaking buy one. You made that amount of money in AdSense alone this month. Like, come on, Dave. Let's be real. You've gotten way better bikes than that, okay? But it wasn't about the bike, all right? It was about the principle. But I'm over that bike, okay? Because we got a freaking 72-volt Electric XP, all right? This is the Electric X Premium. Let's get into the joint. So, after further assessment, it's looking like my brakes got messed up on that crash right there. Jeez, man. I really need to change out these freaking tires. I have brand new tires that I should put on, but I'm just lazy. Look how bald that is. That's ridiculous. These are the stock tires, by the way. All right, no off-roading today. We'll stay on the streets. Hopefully I didn't mess up the bike too much. Like, hopefully one of the tires doesn't freaking fly off randomly. Cause I'm about to push this bike, I don't care. I bet you guys would never do this on your Electric XP, huh? That's the reason why Electric won't send me a bike, guys. Because I am not catering to their demographic. I cater to a specific demographic, okay? My demographic is the modding community. The guys that kind of just don't care about the rules a little bit, you know? And Electric is not about that, okay? They're about they're about the van life. Maybe I should get an RV or something like that. You know, that might be a good investment for the channel. Buy an RV and maybe Electric will send me a free bike. I got an idea. Hold on really quick, guys. Hold on, really quick. Let's do something. We're gonna take a little field trip really quick. Woo, let's see how fast we can go. Come on, I know we can go faster than that, Dave. What are we saying? What are we saying, Dave? You can't hit 40? Aww. Aww. Damn. That sucks. Hey, we're flying though. I know this car's like, what the hell? So yeah, like I was saying, we're gonna take a little field trip, guys. We're gonna check out some RVs. There's a little RV dealership right around the corner. I want to check out one of their like most expensive ones and see if we're missing anything in the RV community, because I thought they were making boring videos, but hey, I could be wrong. They might be dropping bangers over there, guys. Man, I love this bike. Never gets old. Now we're hitting 40, let's go. 41, 42, 43, 43, okay. I think that's the fastest we've been on this bike. Look at the cars, they can't even catch up to us. That's hilarious. And here we are, our destination. And they're closed. Oh man. We're gonna come back another day. Cause they got some dope stuff over here. I can already tell. Well, might as well get a thumbnail since we're here, right? Oh yeah. Guess who just got an RV, guys? Your boy. Now, Electric, send me my freaking bike. All right, we're gonna try this thing one more time. Take it off-road a little bit. Hopefully we don't freaking crash. No, it's sketchy as hell over here. Hell no. You saw that couch right there? I feel like it's freaking bums that live over there. Hell no, I'm not trying to get ambushed. You got me messed up. Whew. My brakes are so freaking bad. I did order some hydraulic brakes. Those should be coming soon. Once I throw those on this bike, it should be pretty good, but man, these things are horrible. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap the video up here. I'm sorry it's a short video. Today was not my day, clearly. All right, I'm still gonna post this video. Hey, if you enjoy this type of content, hit that like button one time for your boy. And until the next video, deuces like that.